Hello, welcome to Eki Traders. We're going to be showing how to install the MetaTrader4 platform on your laptop or your desktop for use with the trading system for binary options that we're going to be giving to you. So first thing you do is point your browser to gomarkets.com.au. It's the reason why we're using this platform is because it's for Forex and also for binary options, as you can see up here. So you can chat with their live support in case you have any challenges installing the desktop application. So what you do is when you get to the home page, first of all, we are not in any way affiliated with this broker, okay? But a lot of traders use the Go Markets because it has good features for binary options. Okay, you go to demo. We're trying to download the demo platform now. You go to demo. So when the page opens, you scroll down. This is for those who don't know how to install the MetaTrader and who don't have experience with trading Forex or binary options. So this is simply how to download the MetaTrader4 and have it activated on your laptop or desktop. So you have your name, your last name, email, phone number, whatever. So select your country and currency and tick that. Then you submit. Once you submit this button, an email will be sent to your box with the link to download the platform. Okay. So you follow that instruction. You download it. But we are going to include their setup in the folder you're going to be receiving your email along with the binary options system that you've purchased. So once you have that, you follow the link to download the platform to your desktop or your laptop. So let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks right here. This is the Go Markets application once downloaded. Okay, so you just click on run. You run it. I already have it active, so you click on yes. Okay, next. All right. Then after you install it successfully, what you do, you say next. You just run and install for you. It's quite fast. So after it installs, you have this icon on your system. This is the one you're going to open. Okay, this is the client you're going to open. So let's keep this phase. Let's see. We already have it active in our system. So, but after you install it, this is what you're going to get. It's a bit delay now. I'll cancel that. It's delaying a bit, but let me show you how it looks. You can cancel that. So when it's successfully installed, you have this icon, your desktop. So you just open this icon. By double clicking. Once you've done that, you should have it open for you to access. Let's see. Come on, it's taking a longer time. Oh, this must be our network. Oh, because okay, now it's opened. So when it opens like this is what you find. All right, you find 4 different charts: the euro, US dollars, US dollars, Swiss franc, US dollars, Canadian dollars. Now, when you open it at first, it may not be connected. Right here, down here, you may see not connected. Okay, what you do, the first thing you do is to open a demo account. So you go here, open an account. Okay, so you select demo. See, real, these are for real account, real trading account. We select demo. Next, then open new demo account. This is what you do. Next. Okay, put your details there, your email, phone number, select currency. Okay, put any amount there. It's for practice. Just put any amount there. Choose any leverage, agree, then next. It will give you your account details. So you can just copy this and take this down. Just save them somewhere in case you want to re-log in, but you can always open new demo accounts just following this same procedure. So you click on connect, goes back to the server. When you hear that sound, okay. So what you do is you close, you see this red
incoming mail
at this upper right hand corner. Okay, you close this, you come to this next one here, you close this, come to this next one here, you close this, and you can expand this, double click this bar or this blue box. Okay, you maximize it. All right, so there you can minimize there too, restore. Okay, you can also double click on the Euro USD to maximize the chart. So once you have it active like this, we are good to go. So this is how to install the MetaTrader on your platform. So what you do is here you have candlestick. It's currently online chart. You have candlestick. You can use this plus or minus symbol to zoom in and out. So you put it on candlesticks. Okay. Then you zoom out. So you make it big as you want so you can view the chart. But you should be able to make it at this level, should be okay, so that you can see the clear movement, up and down movement of the market and how it's waving. Okay, it's simply how to do that. Then if it's too close, the chart is too close to the price line here, you can use these buttons right here, these two buttons, this and this, to shift it. Okay, see that, to shift it. So, or you can manually drag it here, drag it with this triangle here, drag it as you please. So that's how to enable this chart. Then also here you have different time frames. You can right click this chart and select grid. See, to be as clean and very beautiful to look at. By right clicking on the chart, select grid, can enable or disable that. Then also here you have 1 hour time frame. These are different time frames. Okay, each time frame tells you different stories in the market. It's a physical representation of what's happening in the market, in the financial market, how the currencies are rising and falling. Okay, this is the euro against dollar, euro against US dollars. Okay, this means that if the price is going down, the chart is going down, it means the euro is depreciating, you know. So if it's going up, it means euro is going up, is rising, is appreciating. So also when you click on this market watch, see this market watch symbol right above these boxes, you click this market watch, you have different currencies here. Okay, these ones for gold market, these ones that are green, in the green section here, they are for binary options. You see BO. They are binary option currencies. In other words, they don't have spread. That may seem as a big language, but let me explain. In the Forex market, there's something called spread. Okay, you see the bid and the ask price of every currencies here. These three that are white are Forex currencies, meaning they have spread. If you look at the Euro US dollars, you see the market price is 1.22695. It's changing because the market is active. 69 to 70. 1.2269, 1.2270. That's one, right? A difference of one. That one is the spread. That's where the broker makes their money. Okay, is the spread. But if you look at this under the binary options, the same currency, Euro US dollars, is 1.22700, 1.22700. There is no spread. All right, there's no spread. It means that at the point where you take the market, you enter the currency, the market, that is where it will activate the trade for you. Okay. So if you move one pip above that or below that, you could be in the money. You win your trade. Is as simple as that. So there is no lag. That's what it means. There's no lag and no wait time. So now we have activated one chart already. Okay, let me go over it. Remember, we had 4 charts. Let's say we had 4 charts when we enabled this platform. We first had 4 charts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We closed other charts like that. Okay, like that. And we open this chart as our focus. Okay, so if you want to open more charts under these binary options currencies, let's say you want to open US dollar, Canadian dollars chart, you right click, you click on chart window. Okay, chart window. You see down here it is docked. Now I have 2 charts here: Euro US dollars, Canadian dollars. Okay. You can do the same process again, turn it to candlesticks up here, candlesticks, then also the time frame to 5 minutes or any desired time frame. Then you can use this button here to increase the size of the candlesticks. Then you right click on the chart and you remove the grid. Simple as that. Then if it's too close to this price line, remember, use these 2 buttons here. Okay, to shift it into the chart so that you can see this area clearly as the market is progressing. So you can do the same thing for other currencies. Just right click, open, right click, open. Okay, you now have 4 currency pairs. You have Euro US dollars, US dollar Canadian, US dollar Japanese yen, US dollar CHF, Swiss franc. These 2, we just open them. So you want to close anyone, you can right click, close chart, right click, close chart. You're good to go. So that's how to access, how to enable the MetaTrader4. So our next video will be showing you how to activate and trade with the binary option system, the Eki Binary Cash Sniper V2.0. All right. Thanks for staying and watching on this video. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.